Go, Daniel, you can do it. He can't walk. Oh gosh. He's just crawling. He's staying on top of the snow by crawling. Oh, he's still where the house lines up with him. Poor kid. He's right along the fence. Oh gosh. Went from the front of the house. Went over the fence. Now he's crawling out towards the corral. Oh gosh, that's funny. He's grabbing on. Oh, he's going under the fence. Oh, he's climbing over it. The wind is blowing up level with the bottom rail of snow. Oh, he's gonna go. What's he doing? Oh, jeez. He's walking along that side of it. Still no sign of Chocolate. It's crawling across snowdrifts. Oh man. Alright, well.